come and cast my biggest mold yet, an 8-inch tulip, with me. To start, insert the foam inside support. I find it easiest to put it in as far as it will easily go, and then flip the mold and let the weight hit it a few times to get it seated correctly. Next, clip on the frames. There are registration marks to make sure they don't shift once the weight is added from the medium. For mixing, I recommend a cement mixture with additives for strength to include fiberglass strands. I have not tested this mold with Cementol. I suspect it will cure too fast. I grab my PPE here because there's so much concrete powder getting added, it really is needed. Here I am mixing. I always mix pigment and water first, then add the mix. Here I do it in thirds, but in smaller batches, I usually do it in halves. Nothing special with pouring. I do stop halfway to tap bubbles. I have not found it possible to move this mold during pouring. To remove, undo the frames, flip. There is a hole in the foam insert that should come out with a few shots of compressed air. I am 5'3" and small, so this is how I demold it. I have to stand over this pretty well to get leverage to demold. First, I flip out using the handles. Once I have the first flip, pull down as far as it will go, folding it in half. Once it's folded in half, then you can get one more flip for removal. And here it is, my biggest mold yet, a casting from the 8-inch tulip.